Namaskar friend, I am Dr. Pratibha, consultant in fertility IVF Tender Palm Super Specialty Hospital from Lucknow. Today I will discuss about the micro TISA procedure. Micro TISA, it is a procedure in which we will take out the seminiferous tubules from the testes and from that we will able to retrieve the sperm. How this procedure is performed under anesthesia or under sedation will look out for the seminiferous tubule under microscope with a magnification of around 30 to 40x, and this will able to retrieve the sperm. Advantages of micro TISA procedure: higher chances of a sperm retrieval by this procedure. It is a minimally invasive procedure and with reduced tissue trauma or inflammation. It can identify sperm in men with very poor chances of sperm retrieval also. In that also we can get the sperm. Lower risk of complications like testicular atrophy. And what are the indication of this procedure, that is micro TISA? In patient who have failed TISA procedure, testicular sperm aspiration means that direct under eye this procedure is failed. Men with history of Klinefelter syndrome, then cryptorchidism means undescended or underwent chemotherapy drug and developed the infertility issues. Men diagnosed with non-obstructive oospermia. These are the indication of the micro TISA. Then how this procedure micro TISA is performed. Micro TISA is performed under anesthesia after pre-anesthetic checkup. Will give incision on the testes, and we try to visualize seminiferous tubule of the testes under microscope with a magnification. We try to take out the good quality of the seminiferous tubule and will give seminiferous tubules to the embryologist to look for sperm, and this sperm we can use for directly for the IVF or ICSI procedure, or we can freeze the sperm for future utilization also, or IVF procedure. Then what are the post-operative advice after this micro TISA procedure? After micro TISA procedure, patient advice rest for 24 to 48 hours and complete recovery occurs within 1 to 2 weeks. Will give post-operative medicines like painkiller, then antibiotic, and will advise the patient not to do any strenuous or heavy exercise or weight lifting, sex, or for 1 to 2 weeks. And usually within 1 to 2 days they can resume their light or normal activity also. What are the risk factor for this risk factor or complication after the micro TISA procedure? Complication of the micro TISA procedure: infection chances is there, then there may be chances of the hemorrhage, bruising inside the testes, and then testicular pain or swelling can be there, and chances of sudden drop in the testosterone level after this procedure can be there, or failure to retrieve sperm even after this procedure also can be there. And then what are the differences between the micro TISA and TISA? In TISA, we will visualize directly testes under our naked eye, but in micro TISA, we visualize the testes under microscope. So chances of sperm retrieval is very high in micro TISA than that of the TISA procedure. In TISA procedure, there is only 10% chance is there for sperm retrieval. Less chances of tissue injury in micro TISA, while chances of tissue injury or post-operative recovery is also more in that of the TISA procedure. Is micro TISA is worth it procedure or not? Yes, micro TISA is very worth it procedure for the couple who want to take their own biological child to their home. and they don't want to take donor sperm for fertilization or IVF procedure. And success rate or sperm retrieval rate with this procedure is very high, and around 40 to 60% of the couple able to be able to retrieve the sperm by this procedure, and take home baby rate is around, or pregnancy rate is at 30 to 50%. Thank you.